I'm going to chop up and freeze these giant jalapenos in small 4-ounce mason jars. Like, for example, this is an 8-ounce. There was one plant, at least one plant, of banana peppers that wasn't hot, so I had some leftover pickle brine. These are dill pickles. And I made a couple jars of banana peppers. Let me show you the living room. Might as well go barefoot. My shoes just get all wet. Anyway, yeah, the impatiens really liked this rain. Some of the other things, not so much. The roses liked it. Well, the mum's going to be blooming. Oh, where's my new rose? Oh, he's not blooming. So for $5 at Kroger, I got a little mini white rose, and boy, it liked this rain. All those purple leaves are brand new. Okay. This is going to be a little tricky getting to the elderberries because it's muddy. Oh dear. And that's the thing, they are so uneven. So those are ripe. So I'll have to get a scissors and a big Ziploc bag and freeze them as is and then shake them off when they're frozen. So that's ready. Those are still green. Okay. I am going to have to come back out. Probably barefoot again since it's so muddy. Wow. All right. So I canned 20 quarts, equivalent of 20 quarts of tomato juice this week. And I'm hoping that these paste tomatoes will be ready yet this week that I can make spaghetti sauce. And I forgot to show you the elderberries, so let's go take a look at them. Good morning. This is Wednesday, August the 19th. This is my last video for a while. I'm going to be gone for 3 weeks starting next Thursday. Budapest and then Switzerland. So Stan's in charge of the garden, and I'm trying to get all the canning done before I leave, and he'll just have to give away the rest of the tomatoes and to show him how to freeze lima beans. Yeah, they're dying anyway. Look at that. And even the cucumbers are actually starting to die. The only thing that really looks healthy are the peppers, which are super late this year. And I guess there's some other green beans that are still pretty nice. So I have some jalapenos to pick. Yeah, the lima beans look really nice. Awful lot of rain, not like central Indiana, but still enough rain to, well, the peppers liked it, but the lima beans did not. Hi, Sharky. Oh, that's a nice pepper. So I will need a few sweet peppers to go with the spaghetti sauce, and I'm planning to make tomorrow. And it looks like finally they're getting ripe. And then these Mad Hatters on the end, they don't really ripen until late September or so. They will turn dark orange, so I can pickle them when I get back. Oh, there's one that's ready. Yeah. Okay, and everything else is gone. Ate an apple yesterday. Still pretty sour. Those are the Golden Delicious. They've kind of been falling. Oh, it's so muddy here. And then these are the John Gold. So they'll probably need to be picked before I come back. Getting back like the middle of September. So we'll see. Things will look a lot different by then. Pretty much over with this year.